Let me show you how to make this super moist and delicious gluten-free chocolate banana bread. It is so good. You guys need to try this. You are going to start off by mashing 3 ripe bananas. It's very important that they are ripe. The peel should have some brown spots on them. Mash them just like this, and then you're going to add some melted coconut oil, an egg, and some vanilla. Mix it all together and then add your sugar. And now we are going to add Hearthy Foods cassava flour. This is the gluten-free flour I am using in this recipe, and it is perfect here, along with some cocoa and baking powder. I'm also going to be adding some chocolate chips for a little extra chocolatey touch into the batter and outside of the banana bread as well. Once your batter is well mixed like this, you are going to put it in a loaf pan that has some parchment paper laid inside, and then top it off with those chocolate chips and bake. Once it has cooled just a little bit, you're gonna go ahead and slice, and you could already see how moist and fudgy this gluten-free chocolate banana bread is. Definitely check out Hearthy Foods for amazing gluten-free flours and halal products. You can also find the detailed recipe of this chocolate banana bread on my blog, fufuskitchen.com. Enjoy!